We're going through the Tim drive-through. It has really decided to start raining. Yeah, I was thinking, oh man, long drive. I wouldn't mind a Tim's. So I grabbed one. Most places you go to has Tim Hortons these days. When I was out in Saskatchewan, you've seen quite a few of those around too, in the different towns. So it's well known around Canada. I guess Tim's is Canada's coffee. Starbucks hasn't quite made it like that, I don't think. Take this way. I think that there is a golf course. Right me. And I think yeah, it's a golf course, but no other road. I guess we're gonna have to drive around. Golf course, house, road. I don't know what road this is, but yeah. I know I was here one time and I did a video, but it was in the fall of the year and the leaves were falling. Oh my God, it was ever so beautiful. So you can check out that in the Redwater channels. It was a beautiful Sunday morning, I'll never forget. And we're coming to dead-end streets, oh my world. It's like a maze in here. You may never get out of it no more. Yeah, roads are wicked though. Okay. We're going around the cul-de-sac. It's a different looking home. Okay. Park Roll. There's too many boys over there. So we made a wrong turn. So, school zone. Gotta remember school zone. Oh, I'm right back at the Tim Hortons Road. Oh my world, if that don't beat all. I went around, folks, in a circle. Oh my world. Smaller towns sometimes are more confusing than bigger cities. That down there is their new Days Inn that they built just over that way. It's 50. $151.9. Where did I see it? Edmonton, 149. Manning Crossing. This is your kind of their downtown area of Redwater. We have an IGA there. Not really a big town or nothing like that. It's just a small, kind of like a farming kind of community. Now I'm going to tell you folks, if you're ever in Redwater and you want a good meal, the best restaurant to go to is right there called a Cheerio or something. That one, anyway. And they sell, oh my God, the best liver and onions that you'll ever find. Ever. They have it there. It is so good. Oh my, I can't say how good it is. It's just spectacular. Here's your town library. That's basically it, really. It's your business section. It's your fire hall. It looks like someone got a tank there. Oh, army tank. Sorry. Just deciding to pee down rain, folks. Oh my world. And I think I'm at a dead-end street. Backyard alleyway. We'll have to come back here when it's the nice, when the leaves are all out, because it's so pretty. And I'll show you that army tank then. I hope my land is getting some of this rain. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I love the way the trees cover the streets like this. I think it's so beautiful. Dead ahead of us there is the world's largest, oh Derek, right there. You can see it more on my previous video. I walked around it. It was really nice. It's nice to look at and see. Part of Alberta's history. Sorry for the windshield wipers having to go, but it is what it is, eh, folks? This rain is something else. Kind of lost. Don't know where I am, but we'll figure it out. I usually end up driving until I figure out the roads when I'm into a town. This is one of their schools. Oh, we're back on Main Street, I think, or one of the streets here in town. think this is going to take us back to where that park was. To see yeah, where we were originally seeing them from. So folks, we've done another circle. That's a bit of Redwater. Maybe we'll just cross over the street and do this little bit over here. I don't know if I ever done over here. We'll go down this way. Probably a dead end street. There are a lot of older homes. Well kept though, little town. It's really nice. You don't see no garbage or nothing like that lying around, which is nice to see. Very clean. Nice and tidily kept. I know that one by that restaurant that burned down last year, and I guess they're finally demolishing it. Our small tour, folks, of Redwater. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Have a great and wonderful day, and I hope wherever you are that the sun is shining, and remember, go see your moms and your dads, because you need to spend some time with them, right? It's always good, especially while they're still with you and you can do things for them. Please do. Also, love your spouses. Never give up on one another, and forgive each other of any wrongdoings, because we're all human, right? We all have to forgive, and love your kids, and remember, they're only children once. They grow up way too fast. And you have a friend today that you haven't seen in a while, maybe pick up the phone and call them and say hello. How's your day going? And if you're out and about and you see someone that you don't know, smile and say hello. You may be the only one that could be the sunshine in their day, and the only one that they even get a chance to say hello to. So, say hi to them. Anyway, folks, take care, God bless, and I hope wherever you are that you're having a wonderful and great day, and I hope that the sun is shining, unlike here, but we do need the rain. The farmers need the rain. I need the rain for my land. So, yeah, we need the rain here to keep down the forest fires and that here in Alberta this year, and keep things green. Anyway, folks, take care. God bless, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.